Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Si eres nuevo aquí, gracias por verme. Si eres regular, gracias por volver. Today I'm going to be making a delicious recipe, and it's called plantain balls. Well, in Spanish it sounds much better. Bolitas de plátano. You see, it sounds better in Spanish. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to be making. Hoy traigo una receta muy deliciosa. Se llama bolitas de plátano. Los ingredientes necesitamos son 2 plátanos maduros, una taza de harina más o menos y media taza de queso de mozzarella. We're going to cut these into circles to make them cook faster. Ok, tenemos que machacar los plátanos. Vamos a cortarlos en ruedas para que facilitar el proceso. Now, you don't have to cut them into circles, but this is the way I like to do it because to me, it speeds up the cooking process. But you can just, if you want to just boil the plantain the way it is and just peel it afterwards, you can do that also. Ahí está. Tiene que hervir para 30 minutos, or más o menos. Okay, so I'm going to let these boil and I will be back in 30 minutes. Voy a regresar después de 30 minutos. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and I'm just going to check the plantains to see if they're soft. And all you need is a little fork or something just to poke it and see if it's soft enough. So we're going to start draining the water. Estoy chequeando para ver si están listos y están listos. Okay, so now we're going to start removing the peel from the plantain. And just be careful when you're doing this. Or you can just wait until it cools off. But I'm just going to remove the peel while it's still hot. El siguiente paso, quita el piel de los plátanos. Now, after you remove the peel from the plantains, you want to get a potato masher. And you want to mash the plantains up to a creamy consistency. Ok, tenemos que machacar los plátanos para obtener una consistencia suavecito. So now we're going to add a little bit of flour to the plantains, just to give it a little stiffer consistency. And then we're going to start forming the balls. Me gusta añadir un poquito de harina para obtener una textura fuerte o seco. Después de este paso, vamos a formar las bolitas. Con este paso, me gusta usar un poquito de harina para que las bolitas no se peguen a mis manos. I like to add a little flour in my hands when I'm forming the balls because it prevents the dough from sticking to your hands. And to make your life a little easier, use block cheese because you can cut it into cubes. But I didn't have any, so I'm using shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay, vamos a la estufa. Let's go to the stove so we can start frying these up. So I'm adding a little oil, but a more healthier way to do this is to fry it in the air fryer. Le puse un poquito de aceite, pero un método más saludable es para usar un air fryer. Ahora tenemos que freír las bolitas para 5 minutos más o menos cada lado. So now these are ready, and I'm going to plate them. And you can have these with, like I said, you can have these alone, or you can have this as an appetizer. So now I'm going to show you what they look like inside. They're nice and cheesy. They're fluffy, they're light, and they're delicious. You guys have to try this recipe. Mira que lindas. Son riquísimas. Son ligera y esponjosa. Well, guys, it's been my pleasure showing you how to make bolitas de plátano, or plantain balls. I hate saying that, but anyway, bye-bye. Gracias por verme. Hasta la próxima. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.